Hello my lovelies and welcome back to my channel. My name is Nancy. Thank you so much for watching. Today's video is going to be a full face makeup of high-end slash luxury makeup. I've done a couple of videos where I just do a full face of like drugstore makeup because you know we all love drugstore makeup. We all love products with a very affordable price tag. This video is for those of you that love to be bougie, you know, you love the high-end makeup, you love luxury brands. This video is for you. I do have some high-end brand up in here and we are going to do a full face of that. So I have like Dior, I have NARS, I have Kevin Aucoin, Too Faced, Guerlain, Charlotte Tilbury. We got all the good goods. Okay, so very excited for that. I did splurge on some makeup yeah, I'm really excited to film this for you all. I'm very excited to show you guys this look that I created. So yeah, enough blabbering, and if you guys are interested in watching me achieve this look, then just go ahead and keep on watching. Hey guys, so let's go ahead and start with the face. My face is a little bit red today because I just got like a facial done. I know it's really bad, like why am I putting makeup on top of my facial? Let's put our headband on. And yeah, let's just go ahead and jump in. I actually have to go to work, that's why I'm putting makeup on right now. So yeah, let's just go ahead and jump in. First off, I want to go into my Guerlain smoothing and blurring pore refiner. So I actually used this primer and I actually really like it. It was supposed to have like a smoothing effect on my skin, which I feel like that's what it did. The product is good, I'm not going to lie, but like it's just pretty pricey and it's pretty small too, I feel. So I don't know, we shall see. I have like really bad breakout right now, so hopefully my skin will be better. We are going into the palette. I do have the Too Faced Razzle Dazzle Berry eyeshadow palette right here. This one is super cute. It looks like this. I feel like I want to go with a monochromatic pinky tone eye look. I know, I feel like I've been doing a lot of that. Maybe like a more purple look, you know, play with some of these purples over here. So yeah, I'm going to dive into these shades here, but this is a really cute palette and it smells really delicious. Hopefully these are in the correct, oh no, it's on the opposite side on the back. So I'm going in with this light pink shade right here, and this one is called Pink Suede. I'm just going to apply that all over the crease. They're really pigmented. It's really nice. It's actually showing up on my skin, not bad. For the outer corners, I'm thinking about going in with this purple shade right here. So this one right here next to that one is called Boys and Berries. Popping this on the outside. It smells so good. Too Faced is really good with like their scents. Like it's always smelling so good. So I'm just pretty much putting this on the inner corners and the outer corners of my eyes. Trying to, like, my eyelid isn't that big, so it's like really hard to like leave space in the middle, but you know, it's okay because the colors just pretty much go over that anyway, so it should be fine. Just blow this one out a little bit more. Colors is really beautiful on the eyes. I'm really liking this. And for the center of my eyes, I am going in with Bad to the Berry. Okay, so since it's a little bit darker than I expected, I am going to actually tone it down a little bit with this purple shade over here. And this one is called That's My Jam. This color right on top of the darker shade. And then let's go back into the purple shade. So this one called Boysenberry, and I am going to apply that back on the outer corners. The eyes are about done for now. I will go back to it, but for now let's go ahead and do the face. I'm going with my Dior Skin Forever foundation, and I love this one. It just looks so, it just makes my skin so flawless, and I just really like it. I mean, it is pretty pricey, but I really like it. Now for my concealer, I am going in with my Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. And I actually really like this one. I actually got the correct shade this time, and it's in the shade Light Beige. Underneath my eyes. Blend it in. My face is all concealed, and I am going to powder it with my Charlotte Tilbury. This is the Airbrush Flawless Finish Skin Perfecting Micro Powder, and I really like this one. I have used it a couple of times ever since I got it, and I really like it. I got it in the shade medium, and this one is just going to make my skin look like skin. I'm going to put that all over my face. Next up, we are going to contour, and I got this Kevyn Aucoin contour book. I think this is in the volume 3. So this is the contour book, The Art of Sculpting and Defining volume 3. And it has all of this goodie in there. It has a blush, it has 3 different contouring shades, and then it has 2 highlighters right here. So I can pretty much use this whole book for my face. So I am going to start contouring and then adding some highlight and blush. I'm going to start contouring with this Sculpting Deep shade right here. Add that onto my skin. And for blush, I am going to go into this shade called Venice. It's kind of like an ombre blush. I'm just going to dip in more of the blush side over here. Just going to add some of that onto the cheekbones. Nice pinky shade. It goes perfectly well with my eye look right now. That is on. I am going to bake. I'm using my Hourglass translucent powder. I am going to just add some baking under here. While that bake, I'm going in to my brows, and I am going in with my Dior Show Brow Styler from Dior, and I'm going to fill it in. And this is going to actually take me a while, so I'm actually just going to fast forward this. Okay, we are almost to the final round. We are almost there, you guys. But I went ahead and took everything off, per usual. Took the baking off. Put lashes on. I actually did not have like a high-end lash. I have all my Iconics House of Lashes on, so these are like my go-to lashes. So yeah, I have them on. I am just finishing up underneath my eyes. I'm finishing off with the purple shade right here. What is this one called? Boysenberry. Also added liner onto, so I used the Kat Von D tattoo liner. I'm going in with this shade called Beam for my highlight. That's on here. Just like a nice glow from within look. It's not too dramatic or too subtle. It has like a really nice look to it. For lips, we're going to finish off with a Charlotte Tilbury lipstick, and this is in the shade Very Veronica. A very nice, like taupey browner shade. Alright, and this is the lips. Really beautiful. We are going to finish off with the Lancome Fix It Forget It setting spray. Set this face because I'm gonna have a long day at work. Alright, you guys, and this is the final look that I have for you guys. I really hope you guys like this video. I really hope you guys liked the makeup. I know this is a high-end video, so I didn't incorporate any like affordable or drugstore products in here, but I already done a couple of those, so I thought I'd give the high-end products a chance as well. So yeah, I really hope you guys like this video. I really hope you guys like this look, and I will see you guys all in the next video. Yeah, so come back to my channel. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and come back to watch. Yeah, that's all that I have, you guys. Thank you all so much. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye!